Ah! Ah! Hey, pack in the mail. Man, I've been waiting. I ain't gonna lie, I've been waiting a long time. I've been waiting a long time for this. I've been wanting this for a long time. I finally got it. I'm gonna do a nice unboxing and show y'all what I got. It's something nice. So I actually got it from Saks Fifth. So it should be a good little indicator, kinda, of what it might be. Comes in this nice little Saks Fifth box. Nothing too fancy because I didn't get it from the actual store. I had to get it from, they didn't have my size on the website, so I had to get it from Saks Fifth. So it's not gonna be that fancy. Comes in this nice little solid paper around it, make sure it's good. Little tracking, receipt. Paid a pretty penny for it, not gonna lie, paid a pretty penny for it. As I probably know. A lot of black wrapping. And that's really it in the box, just a whole bunch of black wrapping. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's a whole bunch of wrapping. What I got for y'all today? Nice pair of Stone Island cargo pants. Yes. Yes. Man, I've been waiting on this for so long. I got some black Stone Island cargo pants. I feel like, I ain't gonna hold you, the quality and the amount of money I pay for them, I could wear these joints every day. I could wear them every day. That's how much I pay for them. That's how much it's worth. But obviously, I ain't gonna do that. But straight off the back, the material is nice. You know how sometimes you get cargo pants and they kind of like heavy duty and like kind of real thick, and you probably like only really rock them in the fall time. But these is like kind of lightweight where you probably be able to get them off even in the summer. Look at that. Oh. Look at that. Yes, sir. Damn, these is fire. I've been waiting so long for this. Some of the finer details. You got your Stone Island tag in the inside with the size. I got a size 31 width. We got a nice little Stone Island tag right there. Nice. Look how thin it is. Look how lightweight it is. It's just very good material. Like, they kind of even feel like, I don't know if y'all have ever had this before, but if y'all have ever had like fleece, like maybe like fleece Nike pants, like fleece Adidas pants, they kind of feel like that, but they cargos. And it's just a solid pickup that you can really rock with. I mean, you can get some crazy fits off with these. I'm not even gonna hold you. You can get some crazy fits off. And y'all seen the type of stuff that I've been getting lately and the type of things that the type of style that I like. And this is right up my alley. Like I said, this is something I've been wanting for a super long time, and it's just something that I've always felt like I need this in my closet. I need it in my closet. I want to be able to step out and people see that. Not even people, but I see that Stone Island patch on my side. I know, okay, I'm sporting good stuff. I'm sporting good fabrics, and I feel like it's just a good touch to any outfit to have something like this on you, and just this is something that if you can afford it, get it. And if you can't afford it, use your resources, man. They have things like Afterpay and Klarna where you can split up the payments in 4 months, 6 months, even 10 months with with very low APR, very low APR. So it's just like you can maybe pay $150, $200 off top and then pay $60 a month, and it's just like now you got something nice in your closet. Or if you got it, go get it, man. Life is for the living, man. It's really, the things that you want, they want you back. The things that you're looking for in life, they looking for you too. And it's just up to you to go really make it come to life, man. Make it come to be. The things that you see for yourself and the way that you see yourself being able to dress and the things that you want, they want you right back. So do what it takes to make it happen for yourself. And I promise you, you're gonna be able to get everything that you want. You're gonna be able to get everything that you need, and then you're gonna be able to fucking live the life and live the way that you see fit for yourself, man. This is what I mean, man. I go by the Wavy Sailor. It's Cassius, but I go by the Wavy Sailor, and I mean that, man. I truly want to be a person who dresses not just well, but exceptional. and have style and swag and confidence to match all that. And it's not about really the pieces that you get. It's not about the names. It's not about anything. It's just about how you feel in the clothes that you got and how you move and how you feel internally about yourself. That really makes clothes hit for real, for real. And I know y'all seen before, there's plenty of times where people have nice stuff, but they look whack. And there's people who have, you know, stuff that's low key that look great. Because it's not really about the clothes and not the name brands and the stuff. The material things don't make you. It's you that make the material things. It's us that gives life to the clothes. It's us that, you know, how we feel about ourselves that give our life the outcomes that come to play. And for me, I believe wholeheartedly in everything that I do that I'm gonna look great, I'm gonna be great, I'm gonna feel great, and I'm gonna get nice things and get the things I want, man. And Stone Island is something I've been wanting for a long time. So, you know, it's not about being in trend. It's not about being anything but being myself. And it's not about anything but y'all being yourselves, man. Free Life TV is for the dreamers. It's for the believers. It's for the people who want things in life, things that people say they can't get, things that people say they're not supposed to have, that make it come to life. Because we can all get everything we want. Everything in this world that we want, we can get. And I'm here to show y'all through my content that everything that we want, the things that people want, the things that I want, I'm gonna make them come true. I'm gonna make them come true. So go ahead, hit the subscribe button for me. Hit that subscribe button for me. Check out some other videos on my channel. I got some more stuff coming. I got some nice sneaker unboxings on the way. Some nice Navy vlogs just to show my life and show kind of how things are in the Navy. Kind of give touch bases on how, you know, Navy life is, and, you know, what's good about it, what's bad about it, what's great about it, what's, you know, what's beneficial, how it can work in your favor, how it can work in my favor, and what I'm gonna do in the future. And I really want y'all to just stay tapped in, man. This is the year. This is the year that my YouTube goes. This is the year that my YouTube goes out the roof. This is the year. I've been building it for a long time. Maybe like 5-something years. 580 something subscribers right now. But this is the year. I promise this is the year that it's going through the roof. I can feel it in my bones. This is the year. So I have nothing but love and true gratitude to everybody who watches this video, who does subscribe to the channel, who likes any of the videos. That everything we want, we can have, and, you know, everything that y'all want, y'all can have too, man. Love to everybody. Subscribe to the channel. Stay on board. It's your boy. It's Cassius, the waviest sailor. Love y'all, man. And let me know. Put in the comments what's your favorite brand right now. If you want me to actually make a try-on video of the pants so y'all can see how they look, and then let me know some other things that y'all know are coming out, or, you know, it's already out that y'all like, that y'all think that it would look good, or if you want to see an unboxing or review of, we'll make it happen, man. Peace to everybody.